yeah. And found another siren. Hi everybody, Whemenoc Alarms here, and today I have another rare siren unboxing video to show you, so let's get to it. I got this siren from Siren Light on Etsy, so make sure to check them out because they sell very vintage sirens that they've refurbished. Oh, shit. Probably shouldn't put out and do this. How am I going to do this? Oops. Try not to do it twice, but... Okay, I got one side open. I have to clean up all the styrofoam after. This is so annoying. There's like tape right here. There we go. Finally. I can open this whole thing. Okay. This one, I might actually be the only other person in the siren community to have this siren. I think I've seen someone else with the siren from SirenCon at 2021. I wasn't there, but I saw a video. They might have a slightly different model, or if it is the same model, then their air intake is pointed differently, I guess. But anyways, he was not kidding when he told me through messages that he packed this thing very well. Wow, impressive. Yeah, there's no way this would get damaged. Wow. So my nose is being annoying to me for some reason, so bear with me. I'm fine, but if my voice sounds weird, it's because my nose is being very annoying with mucus and whatever, and being clogged up, so I'm not sick, but I think it's allergies. Allergies are messing with me. What is this? Oh, battery list. Oh, cool. That'll be helpful. I'll keep that and put that right there. Oh, there's so much of this. Getting there. This is bigger than I actually thought it was. Or maybe it's just about the right size that I thought it was. Perhaps. Can I just put my phone down for a second? Holy heck. Oh wait. I'm not even sure how I'm going to take this off with one hand, but... Oh man. That's This is not an easy task. Wow. Wow. There's all this tape and other stuff. Alright. I'm almost there. Like I said, this is probably the last of its kind. These are like super rare to the point where you cannot even find anything about them online. Even Sireno themselves don't have any documentation on this, supposedly, according to the internet. Like, you can't even find things about this. Apparently. Alright. Yeah, that's right. I got myself a Sireno F-51 siren. Look at the condition of this. Sorry, there's just stuff on it from the packaging. So yeah, here we go. So this is the air intake. Like, look at how great this looks. Look at how great this whole thing looks. Like, the entire thing looks like it's actually brand new. See that? It's crazy. The air intake is there because in the front of the siren, you just have the chopper and the engine. So it sucks the air through this air intake. It's kind of like how the 2T22 and 3T22s work, where they have an air intake. So yeah, this is a 24-volt siren, as you can see. And so, yeah, and here's the label. It's really hard for me to hold still. But yeah, here you go. Anyways, so that is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, rate, share, and leave comments. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!